Portable fans offer you cool air during all of your travels. There are several different types of fans, but the best travel fans will be powerful, lightweight, and have a long battery life. To eliminate hours of online searching, here is a guide to help you choose the best fan for you. There are many products available to choose from best portable fans for travel, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best portable fans for travel from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. VersionTech Mini Handheld Fan. VersionTech has successfully created what many believe is the best personal travel fan, thanks to its versatility. You're able to hold it in your hand, set it on a table, hang it on your parasol, or clip it on other objects. So regardless of whether you're relaxing on a beach or in a hostel with no air conditioning, this fan has you covered. It has a 6-piece fan blade which has 3 different speeds and blows air up to 3 meters away. This fan is rechargeable via USB or can be powered by batteries. It even has a 180-degree folding design to make it easier to store and travel with. No matter where your travels take you, you should have the VersionTech Mini Handheld Fan by your side. Number 2. SkyGenius Battery-Operated Clip-On Mini Fan. When it comes to the best battery-powered fans, SkyGenius Battery-Operated Clip-On Mini Fan tops the list. This compact fan measures only 7.5 x 6 x 4, but it can blow air up to 10.5 feet per second. The fan can also be charged via USB, and has a working time of up to 6 hours, depending on the speed setting. Because it has a clip style, it can be used everywhere from the park to your baby stroller. Its 360-degree rotating design makes it more flexible and convenient, so it can blow air exactly where you want it to. Weighing less than 10 ounces, the SkyGenius battery-operated clip-on mini fan is a great fan to travel with. Number 3. Wogo Hand-Free Small Personal Fan. This hands-free fan is perfect for active travelers. The Wogo Hand-Free Small Personal Fan sits on your neck and allows you to hike, exercise, and read, all while staying cool. The fan has 2 heads and 3 speeds, and rotates 360 degrees. It's USB chargeable and offers up to 12 hours of power on one charge. One button lets you turn the fan on and off as well as change the speed, and there's an indicator light that shows you the battery level and when it's fully charged. The Wogo Hand-Free Small Personal Fan is unquestionably the best small fan on the market. Number 4. CalmLife Portable Misting Fan. A fan, mister, and nightlight combine to make this the best portable fan for travel. The CalmLife Portable Misting Fan measures 8.9 x 4 x 1.5 and has a 180-degree foldable design. The battery takes 3 hours to recharge, but can work for up to 13 hours. The fan has 3 speed settings, the strongest being 4.6 meters per second. Whether you're at an outdoor sporting event or on a trek, you'll appreciate the 17 milliliters water tank that lets you mist yourself to stay even cooler. This fan even has a unique multicolored light that comes in handy for late-night picnics or in your camping tent. You'll never have to dread the heat again when you purchase the CalmLife Portable Misting Fan. Number 5. Aluon Portable Fan for Travel. The Aluon Portable Fan for Travel always makes the list of the best handheld fans. Whether you're heading through an airport, or a city, or out on a hiking trail, this fan is small enough to fit in your jacket pocket. It's only 4.9 x 3.1 x 0.8, but it can operate at up to 4,000 revolutions per minute. The fan is powered by a rechargeable polymer lithium battery, and includes USB cord, so you can charge it on the wall, with a power bank, or even with your laptop. The Aluon Portable Fan for Travel is a super cute handheld fan that makes traveling more convenient. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.